Alright.
Okay.
I've already been pulled over about an hour ago.
Have you?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that for?
Wondering what I was doing, so I told them. And
What are you doing?
fine with. I went to Asda, so
Asda?
yeah.
Asda's that way.
Yeah, I know, but I've just been to drop my mate off. So if you speak to the officers, if you can.
Alright.
It was a marked BMW.
Alright. Why do you have your mate with you?
Because he doesn't drive,
Alright.
and his missus, and they've got a newborn baby, so I took him to Asda. I work with them as well, so.
Okay, you're the owner of the car.
I am.
We'll come and check it out then, have they? What's with these lights on the front?
It's a white light, not blue.
Okay.
It's a white light, not blue, so I can turn them on. So it is actually white if you look at it underneath.
Okay, but technically they should be in pairs, shouldn't they?
What do you mean?
If you've got extra LED running lights or something like that,
Yeah.
they should be in pairs, twos, not one. You've got one there, have you?
It's one in the middle, yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
They should be in pairs.
Well, the law is that if I can have white on the front,
Yeah.
red on the back,
Yeah.
and that's white.
Yes, but it's not in a pair. Yeah, if you think of all the LED running lights and whatever, they're all in pairs, aren't they?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter because on all the new technology, all the new technology on the cars these days,
Yeah.
when cars turn around corners, they've got one fog light on.
That's slightly different, isn't it? That's a fog light. It's part of the adaptive lighting system, isn't it? Yeah.
And also, glare
Yeah.
isn't illegal.
No, but it should
It's
be
when you actually see the light.
It should be in pairs, shouldn't it? That's what I'm saying. So it's not in pairs. You've also got the film on the headlights.
Yeah, completely legal.
You sure?
Yeah,
Did you pass an MOT with them?
yeah, it did.
Did they?
Yeah.
All right. I'm not convinced that's legal because it's covering the lens, isn't it? So it's reducing the.
It's not tint, no. Honestly.
So as soon as you put anything on the lens,
Yeah.
yeah, my understanding is it's an offence. Because
No, it's not.
It's reducing the.
You'll have to.
Because even the Perspex headlamp covers, some of those say on them not for road use.
Oh, if you want to go ahead and double check it, but I know that you're wrong on it.
Am I? Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, misinformed.
Misinformed, am I? Oh, right. Okay. Right. And what about these canards then?
The what? These.
Yeah.
They're rubber, as you can feel. They're rubber, and they're not illegal either.
Aren't they?
No.
Oh.
It's to deflect the airflow.
Yeah, on racing cars, yeah?
Yep.
Just turn your steering right over for it.
And again, the last officer about an hour ago checked all the tyres and everything as well.
All right. What's with the flashing centre brake light?
It's a brake mod, which again is legal.
Is it?
Yep.
Have you checked that, have you?
Yep.
How is it legal?
Because it doesn't flash more than, I think it's 70 times in a minute.
All right.
And yeah, I've had everything done to it. It's been remapped and everything, and it's all through the insurance.
Right.
Insurance know everything. So I'm happy for you to phone them up and check as well.
All right. Just pass the MOT with a bonnet like that as well, is it?
Yep, bonnet lifters.
Are they legal, are they?
Yep,
Sure about that?
yep, 100%.
All right. Oh.
Never been pulled over ever since owning the car, and I've been pulled over twice tonight.
Well, you're going to be, aren't you, if you're out, you know...
Which way were you heading when you were pulled over the first time?
Come in this way.
Going towards Asda?
Yeah, yeah.
And then you've gone back, dropped your mate off
Yeah.
in, and then you're going back to...
Flint, where I live.
Okay,
Road.
so we won't expect to see you out again tonight.
No, of course not. I have got a works permit as well.
What do you do for work?
We're building the rooftops for the NHS, all the pop-up hospitals.
All right.
Yeah, that's fine. If you're going to work, that's fine. But if you're
Yeah.
just driving round, then it's not fine, is it? It's for going to work.
No, I'm just letting you know if you wanted to see
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
You do see me
I
out in the
believe
daytime.
you. You don't have to show us any kind of work permit. We've not got the powers to look at that. But if you've been seen twice in one night, it's kind of what are you doing? But if you're going to AUDITS, then fair enough. But we don't expect to see you out again tonight, do we?
You just didn't want to go, during the day, having a newborn baby, mixing with everyone.
Again, you got this film on the back, haven't you?
Yeah.
So it reduces the how bright the lights are, doesn't it?
It's all legal.
Again, I'm not convinced it is.
Well, I'm happy for you to give me any paperwork and I'll take it to an MOT station to prove you guys wrong.
All right, okay. What I'll do some...
I'm not being arsy with you, I'm just trying to say I know the stuff on it before I've done it.
I'm not convinced you do, because you didn't know about that, about the lights in the front. You can't just be putting random white lights on your car, can you?
Yeah, I can.
You can't.
I can, look. They're
not
illegal.
legal.
Yeah, I know, they're illegal.
Yeah.
You can see them. But I can have any colour lights underneath my car, absolutely any, as long as they don't flash and you can't see the light.
You can't. You can't have blue lights, you can't have red lights, can you?
Glare isn't illegal. It's only when you can see the
If
light
you've got a red
itself.
light under the car,
That's glare.
right, but you've still got a red light under the car, haven't you?
Honestly, I've
So
checked.
how is that legal?
It's legal. I've checked the laws on it. Honestly,
It won't be, will it? How is that going to be legal?
on it. Radio a traffic cop. It's glare is
Don't go there, mate.
Yeah, that's...
glare is legal. Honestly, and I haven't got anything underneath.
You can
Have
show
I?
red light to the rear, can't you?
Yeah,
Yeah? You've got red light showing to the front, even though it's glare.
yeah.
It's not legal, is it?
No.
It's showing red light to the front.
No, but it's not. It's a white light on the front, not red.
Yeah, but you've just been telling me now that you can show any light under the car. Well, you can't, can you?
Yeah, you can't. You're not allowed to physically see the light.
Yeah.
You can see glare from the light.
But if it's red glare, then it's showing red light to the front, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, so that's not legal then, is it? And as I say, the white lights should be in pairs.
No, I disagree.
Right, okay. What's your name?
Josh,
Okey-doke, Josh.
I'm more than welcome for you to
And
give
again,
me any whatever.
These canards here, you know, they're borderline being sharp edges, aren't they?
Nope, illegal.
Are they?
How is that a sharp edge? It's made of rubber.
Yeah.
Not being funny.
Yeah, but it wasn't on there when the car was produced, was it?
Half the car wasn't on there when it was produced.
No.
I'm not being funny.
So it doesn't make it legal, that's what I'm saying.
It is legal.
Is it? It's legal.
Not being funny.
It's legal on a Porsche 223 that's been homologated for it, isn't it?
It hasn't got Lambo doors. I'm getting Lambo doors fitted. That didn't come with the car. Is that illegal?
Not necessarily, but the doors don't have sharp edges that might...
If you really think that is a sharp edge, even though it's completely rounded off and it's rubber...
It's down to the interpretation of the MOT test.
Look, you're obviously trying to pinpoint something on me, so...
Well...
I'm happy to take it to an MOT and you can...
The point is that you can't just do whatever you want to your car.
I can, as long as it's road legal.
Yeah, but some of the things are borderline, aren't they?
Not really.
Not really?
No.
Alright, okay.
And you're the only, well, I'd say the first ever copper that's pulled me over,
Yeah.
even though I've only ever been pulled twice tonight, is to pick up on the white light on the front.
Well, yeah, it just shows how good I am, doesn't it? I mean, your number plate's borderline.
Legal on the front, full number plate.
Yeah, but it's not, it's curved, isn't it?
Yeah,
On
it
the
doesn't
bumper.
matter. Doesn't matter. Because you can even get the new number plates now, where it's not an actual plate, it's a sticker. The reflective stickers, all the new Range Rovers have them. And they're curved as well, on the front.
You sure about that?
Yep, seeing it myself.
Alright. No, you see, I'm not convinced by that either. it's got to be vertical, isn't it? So if it's not vertical, then it's not. If it's on the, like the Alfa Romeos, they go on a plinth, don't they?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, so that's how they get.
I'm not an Alfa Romeo person.
That's how they get. Well, they're the only cars that have the number plates in that position, isn't it, from the factory?
Yeah,
I
don't know.
They're on a plinth, so it makes it vertical, and so there's no issues. Whereas that's just attached to the bumper, where it was never intended to go, wasn't it?
Well, it's up to you. If you want to try and pin something on me, like I've said, I've gone to Asda to take my mate who's got a newborn baby because he didn't want to go during the daytime, and I work with him.
I've no problem with people modifying their car, but if it's not legal, it's not legal, is it? And some of these things, I think, are borderline. As I say, the headlight tint film and on the tail lights, I'm not convinced it's legal. I'll do some research, and if I, having done my research, find that it's not legal, then we'll give you a ticket next time, won't we?
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
fair enough, isn't it? Yeah, your front tyres are quite worn as well, aren't they? They're getting a bit close to the legal limit.
Well, they're not far off new then, but okay.
They're not, are they? If you look at the inside edge, you know, if you're telling me that's not far, that's new, the inside edge is quite worn, yeah, and there's probably about 3 mil on them.
Okay.
Yeah. So they're not quite new, are they? Well, they might be new, but you're ragging around in it and wearing them out, aren't you?
Well, wouldn't say ragging round in it, but... So is that what you pulled me for, the front light?
Amongst other things, yeah. See why you're out, see what you're up to.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's the second time you've been seen out in one night while all this lockdown's on.
Yeah.
It's like, well, why are we seeing this car twice in one night? We've not
Yeah,
seen the same
it was
car
you guys that followed me before, wasn't it?
No, we've not seen you tonight,
No.
but someone else
That
said
I
they'd
had,
stopped
Someone in the same car as yours followed me coming back when I was taking him home.
You've got to expect it, haven't you? Yeah, if you're out, you're going to get stopped by the police, aren't you?
Yeah.
Quite rightly, really. Yeah. There we are. We won't be seeing you again tonight, will we?
Nope.